My name's Zakiyah from Tizard School. Today we're going to make some yummy blueberry mug cakes. Are you ready? Right, so let's start by having a look at the ingredients we're going to use for our blueberry mug cake. Flour, flour, sugar, sugar, milk, milk, vanilla extract, vanilla, baking powder, baking powder, blueberries, blueberries, oil, oil. So those are all of the ingredients that we need to make our blueberry mug cakes. The equipment you'll need are a tablespoon and a teaspoon, and also your mug. Are you ready to start cooking? Right, let's start cooking. First, we're going to use some flour. We're going to need 4 tablespoons of flour. Maybe you can count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flour. Next, we're going to use some baking powder. So just 1/4 teaspoon. Baking powder. Next, we need 2 teaspoons of sugar. One, 2. Sugar. Next, we're going to need 3 tablespoons of milk. One, 2, 3. Milk. Next, we're going to need 1/2 tablespoon of oil. And next we're going to need a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And next you're going to put in half of your blueberries. Now, taking your tablespoon, you're going to give that a really good mix. Once you've given it a good mix and it's all starting to come together, you're going to put in the rest of your blueberries. Now, once you've finished stirring, your batter should look like this, nice and smooth. So now, you're ready to take your mug to the microwave. Now your batter has to go in the microwave for 1 minute, and then you can have a little look and see how it's going. And here we have it. A yummy blueberry mug cake. The best part, the tasting. Really good. Now, you might need to put some custard on top to make it a little bit easier for you, or perhaps this would be a great activity to do sensory exploration, some messy play with all the ingredients that we've used today. Well, thank you for cooking with me. I'll see you soon. Bye.